Anyone who knows me knows how much I like wordsmithing and wordplay. So let me share a word that I came across recently that I feel speaks volumes. It's a reframe of the word hindsight. Replace the H with a K, and what do you have? Kindsight. Stephanie Swafford, rapidbodymindclarity.com here. Kindsight unloads that pesky practice quite a bit, doesn't it? Hindsight is 2020. Well, of course it is, because we are looking at the situation with knowledge, resources, wherewithal that we have now that we didn't have then. So, well, that makes sense that it's 2020. And then what do we often do? Oh, I should have, and I better, and I knew, and I still screwed up. I could have done that differently, better, with more kindness, with more, just fill in the blank, blah, 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 blah. Now, let's soften the hindsight with a little bit of kindsight. Ah, yeah. Yes, I remember that moment. Not one of my more stellar exchanges, choices, and I did what I did knowing what I knew at the time. How does it serve me to chastise myself and belittle myself? Well, you should have known better, and you all know how I feel about shoulds. Kindsight. Ah, well, yeah. That's not the choice I'd make now, and the choice I made then got me to where I am now, so it couldn't have been all bad. Now, I also want to soften the moment, and we've all had this, and we'll all do it again, where you know what the best course of action is for you and you don't take it. Okay. All right. How about for whatever reason it wasn't right timing, or the lesson you needed to learn was the reinforcement of when you know what the right action is for you, end of sentence, do it. Kindsight. Are you kind with your hindsight? Are you kind to and with yourself? And if not, what is that about? Can you dare to be kinder to yourself? Because when we are kinder to ourselves, guess what happens? We're a little more compassionate for those around us or strangers we meet. It's like, oh, I was in that very moment. I get it. I get it. So, here's to kindsight. How do you practice kindsight? Share with us. Stephanie Swafford, rapidbodymindclarity.com. Until next time, thanks much. Cheers.